So today we have with us Mr. Sagar Kharade. He is currently working in Worley Service India Private Limited as the designation of piping engineer. So he will be delivering a talk on product market fit and the solution fit. So, sir, we welcome you to this session, and we are waiting for a very good session from your side so that our students will be enlightened. Please share your experience on your company profile as well at the end of the meeting so that they get to know the day to day design stuff, manufacturing stuff. So, sir, overall to you now. बैठ सकते बैठ सकते धीरे धीरे पढ़ो एकदम आराम से
Sir, mic already start here.
स्टार्ट
Okay, directly put start.
स्टार्ट है ना हेलो हाँ स्टार्ट
That's good. Solution fit product and market fit product are two important concepts in the world of startups and product development. They are different. There are different stages in the process of creating and scaling the product that meets market demand. Here is breakdown of each. First is solution fit. What is solution fit? Solution fit refers how well the solution you are building addressing a specific problem. At this stage, the focus is ensuring that the solution you have designed is actually solving the pain point or needs to target the customers. Key indicators. Uh, you have identified a clean problem in the market. The solution you are offering meets The solution you are offering meets this need in the way that feasible and effectiveness. You may have a prototype or early vision of the product to test with the small audience. Example: a startup might create a task management tool specifically designed to help remote teams collaborate more effectively. Solution fit and product market fit are two important concepts in the world of startups and product development. They are refer to different stages in the process of creating and scaling the product that meets market demands. Here are the breakdown of each. First is solution fit. What is solution fit? Solution fit refers how well the solution you have building ad- and addresses the specific problem. At this stage, the focus is on ensuring that the solution you have designed is actually solving the pain points or needs to your target customer. There are some key indicators. Key indicators. You have identified a clean problem in the market. Second is the solution you have offering meets this need in the way that's feasible and effectiveness. You may have a prototype or early vision of the product to test with the small audience. Example, a startup might create a task management tool specifically designed to help remote teams collaborate more effectiveness. In the solution fit stage, they test if the tool actually helps remote teams manage tasks better in the existing solutions. Second one is product market fit. What is product market fit? Product market fit occurs when you have developed a product that not only solve a real problem but also resonates with the market and the target audience. It is a point where the product is widely adopted by the customer because it truly meet their needs in the way that they leads sustained growth. Key indicators. First, there is a strong demand of your product. Using it, you are seeing a retention. Customers are satisfied and likely to recommend the product to others. And third one is your product shows clear sign of growth, such as increasing revenue, user acquisition, or viral sharing. Example, talking the task management tool. Example, talking the task management tool example. Product market fit is reached when remote teams consistently adapt to the tool, find it indis- indispensable for their workflow, and actively refer it to other teams or companies. The product is now scaling, and there is strong alignment between the product and the market needs. Summary and differences of solution fits and product market fits. There are some differences. Solution fit is about making sure your product addresses and specific problems. The product market fit is about ensuring the problem has a large enough customer base and it's scalable, leading to long-term success. Achieving both is essential for success of product. First, you get a solution fit, then the product is useful. Then you aim for a product market fit. The for the solution fit, the solution fit in simple terms, if we need to explain, it is a first step of the journey of building a product, ensuring that the product addressed a genuine needs before worrying about the scale and growth. Components of solution fit. Problem validation. First is problem validation. You have conducted a research to validate the problem exists and it's meaningful to the significant group of people. Product concept. Product concept is based on solving the problem, and you have a prototype, MVP, or early product to test the solution. And last one is target audience. You have defined a specific target audience and tested the product with them. Why solution fit is so important? Ensure the product relevance. If you don't solve a real problem, no matter how well executed the product is, it will fail. Inform product development. By understanding the solution fit, teams can refine the product's feature and capabilities, making sure they match customer expectations, and it reduces the risk. Focusing on solving the right problems reduces the chance of building a product that customers won't adopt. For example, a startup developing a mental health app for teenagers may identify that mental health issues like anxiety and depression are increasingly common among young people. Their solution is to build an app that offers mindfulness and exercise, self-help tools, and connections to professional supports. At this stage, the startup must validate whether this app effectively addresses these needs by working with the small group of teenagers. The solution fit phase is about ensuring that the product is solving the problem in the way that its effectiveness and attractive to users. The path to the solution fit. Achieving solution fit is an interactive process. Here is how it typically unfolds. Identify the problem. The journey begins by identifying the problem or pain points in market that needs solving. This could stem for personal experience, market research, or customer feedback. First is customer interview. Speaking to potential customers to validate their pain points. Then market research. Analyzing data to determine and scope of the problem. Competitors analysis. Studying ex- s- studying the solutions to understand the gap in the market. In the problem discover phase, companies often find that what they initially thought and was significantly issue might not be urgent as it seems, which is why feedback is crucial. Second, design a solution. Once the problem is validated, the next step is designing the solution that can potentially solve it. This could be a product or serving offering, but at this stage, it's more about concept of and prototype. Rapid prototyping. Early version of product should be created quickly and tested with the users. MVP means minimum viable product. MVP builds the simplest version of your product that solve the core problem, leaving out fancy feature or complex functionality. Third one is test the solution. Once MVP is built, testing the product with the real users begins. This stage might be involve beta testing, user interviews, and usability testing. In beta testing, getting a feedback from a small group of users to validate the solutions. User interviews, conducting one-on-one interviews with early users to access their satisfaction and growth qualitative feedback. Usability testing, evaluating how users interact with the product and whether it makes sense to them. Okay. Then last one is refine the solution. Based on feedback, you make the necessary adjustments to the product. This could involve improving the product design, user experience, or functionality. Here, interaction and pure. Okay. In interaction, rapid interaction and crucial is the phase. This product should involve continuously to align better with the user. Pure or preserve. Sometimes testing result shows that the solution does not fit and a pivot is needed. A pivot is when the startup fundamentally changes its approach while still aiming to solve the same problem. Third, third main point is understanding the product market fit. What is product market fit? Product market fit (PMF) occurs when your product is not just solving a problem but it widely adopted by customer because it resonates deeply with their needs. PMF goes beyond validation of the solution to establish that the market demands exist when it where exists and growing. The core question during this phase include: first one is, are people actually using the product? Second, are they staying engaged? And last one is there strong word of month and organic growth? Product market fit is a sweet spot where the product has found a market that loves it and its position of sale. The importance of product market fit. At this stage, the product adopts moves from the early adopters to the border market. Revenue growth. When PMF is achieved, monetization strategies can be more successful, driving higher revenues. Customer advocacies. Satisfied customer becomes promoters, creating a network effect that leads to organic growth. Market leadership. Products that achieves PMF often become category leaders, defining how others in the market behaves. For example, the company Slack reaches the product market fit when teams started adopting into not only for work communications but also for everything else, building integrations for fostering team culture and solving cross-team collaboration issues. Slack becomes must-have tool for teams and grow rapidly in short period, surprising its competitors. Fourth one main point is the path to the product market fit. Achieving PMF requires a different approach from the solution fit phase. The shifts the scaling and optimization, customer discovery and validation. In the initial product is the tested, refined, and then retested in the real world environment with the more significant user bases. At this stage, you are looking for active user engagement, rotations, and product user metrics. In active user engagements, our users are interacting with the product consistency. In rotations, are they coming back to the product repeatedly? Product user metrics. Our users are using your product in the way you intended. Metrics like DAU means daily active users, MAU monthly active users, and engagement metrics becomes crucial. Now that more now that more users are engaged, collecting quantitative data becomes essential. A and B testing, user feedback, running experimental to determining which feature or changes resonates best with users. Then listening to both quantitative data and qualitative data means analysis and user interviews to refine the product, scale and optimize. After PMF is reached to next goal in the scale the product, the key is here: market expansion, acquisition channel, building the team capacity. For expanding beyond early market expansion is to expand beyond the early adopters to the border markets. In acquisition channels, testing and optimizing the customer acquisition channels to drive both SEO paid and ads and content marketing, building teams capacity, ensuring your team product and infrastructure are ready to handle increased demand. Next one main part is metrics and signals for achieving the fits. Solution fit matrices. Solution fit matrices are user friendly. Is the product is solving their problems? Are the are they actively using it? Are users coming back after the first use? And how often do users engage with the product? Are they finding if valuable enough for regular use? Product market fit matrices. NPS. NPS means Net Promoter Score. If customer recommends the product to the users or others, it's a strong signal of PMF. Churn rate. Low churn rate means users are sticking with the product. Virality. High referral rates or organic word of mouth growth indicates the PMF. Growth in acquisition. Increasing new users with minimum market efforts can indicate the PMF. The next part is the relationship between solution fit and product market fit. The key relationship is solution fit is the prerequisite to product market fit. The product must first solve a problem effectively before there is a large enough market to sustain the growth of the product. PMF can exist without the foundation of solution fit, as the market will only accept your product once it demonstrates with value. Then the next part is challenges and mistakes along the way. Common challenges. Sometimes founders try to build a complex product too early, focusing on the features that they aren't essential, achieving the solution fit, and ignoring the feedback. Not irritating not interacting to the user feedbacks, and it can prove the both solutions of market fit. Scaling too early. Trying to scale before reaching PMF can lead to waste resources and burnouts. Mistakes to avoid. Lack of focus. Trying to target everyone can dilute your product and stall PMF. Misreading mistake signals. Misreading early adopting of PMF can lead to premature scaling. Ignoring metrics. Not tracking the right metrics can cause misstep in the product development and marketing strategies. In summary, solution fit is about finding the right product for the defining problem, which while product market fit ensures that the product findings and eager and sustainable market. Both are essential in building a product that not only works but thrives in the market. पूरा हो गया ऐसा, लेकिन एक इशू है, मतलब इशू नहीं है। आपने जो दिया था ना, वो पहले वाला दिया था, ये वाला। ये मैंने पढ़ा, यहाँ तक आ गया तो पता चला कि ये यहाँ से पढ़ना चालू करना था,
कोई बात नहीं।
तो मैंने फिर से थोड़ा सा ले लिया।
Thank you, Sagar Kharade sir, for this amazing presentation. And our students have learned a lot from your presentation today. Thank you so much for coming again once again.